with my withdrawal of my nomination, Senator Bong Go has now taken the challenge to become the vice presidential candidate of the PDP Laban. I strongly and fully believe that Senator Bong Go is the best person to help the next president continue my legacy and build on the gains that we have achieved, especially in terms of providing basic services to healthcare, education, and other social services for the people. The Malasakit Centers, which he spearheaded in establishing when he was still a special assistant to the president and helped enact into law as a senator, have already assisted millions of Filipinos in their malasakit time of sickness and need. Furthermore, in the first 2 years of his term as Senator Bong Go has already fulfilled his duties as a legislator by passing several important laws that he has also performed representing and constituency services by visiting and providing assistance to our kababayans who needed help, like victims of fire, flood, and other calamities, as well as those who are heavily affected by the present pandemic. With his track record of service and strong work ethic rooted in compassion towards the poor and the neglected, I strongly believe that he will be the best vice president of the country. With this, I encourage our kababayans to look at his deeds and achievements as you consider your list of candidates for the next president. Vice President, rather.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.